What is going on? Good morning, GM, bro. We made it, man. We made it. Here we are the next day. Finally had a good night of sleep. I mean, decent night of sleep. Decent breakfast. Kind of trash for 26 euros, 22 euros, whatever, but luckily the airline is paying for it, man. I don't know what's going on, man. I'm just like out here in the middle of freaking Vienna, man, trying to figure out basically what to do. Someone told me that there's a castle nearby here called the Belvedere Castle. I need to check out. It's the biggest castle in over here, as well as I believe like there's a tour sightseeing bus. I think it might be like the best choice because I have to catch my flight at 11 o'clock tonight. Missed freaking flight, man. But you're gonna find out where I'm going, man. I want to keep it as a surprise. As soon as I land, you will know exactly where I'm at. You will know for sure where I'm at, man. Yeah, I might be able to go to the airport and not pay too much money, man. Just catch one of those trains. I'm trying to invest in DeFi, man. I'm trying to spend all this money. You know what I mean? Yo, these are some cool little apartments, man. They look different. Look at that. Look at this one. The architecture is very different here. Look at that. What in the world is this? It's wild, man. We're in Vienna for 24 hours. So let's figure out what to get into. I think my tour bus will be here soon. But I'm gonna see what's going on. It seems like every car here is a goddamn Benz. I guess we're close. I guess it's German-speaking population. So they be rocking with the Benzinos, man. Oh, this is cool. It's cool ass little apartments. Yeah, that's the hotel I went to. That's one of the hotels I went to last night, man. Every single hotel was booked, man. It was crazy. But I can't really blame the airline, man, because there was a huge storm in. There was a huge storm out here, and all the flights was delayed. Everything was just messed up, and in the end, we all ended up here. So it is what it is. Oh, cool apartment, man. It's a cool little spot. I don't even know the neighborhood, the name of the neighborhood I'm in, but I don't care, man. I just gotta figure out a way to get to Belvedere Castle, and come back and go to my tour. Okay, hang on a second, man. Let me find my phone and figure out where the hell Belvedere Castle is at.